Okay, I forgot one quick thing that I wanted to show everybody, which was the lockpicking system.
Five, four,
This
three,
can be
two,
adapted
one.
to actually uh, stick the picks in a lock in the game and minimize it to where the lock is actually on the door. But I did want to show everyone how it works. It's a pretty simple system. Uh, you just basically line all the tumblers up and boom, door opens up. So that's just a brief overview of the lockpicking system. That said, I hope you guys enjoy the entire update in general. And if you have any feedback, questions, speculations, whatever, just ask. All right, you guys have a great one.